Welcome back, traders. I know that a lot of traders miss this particular trade right here. You can see this 1:26. So I'm going to be doing the drop down analysis about this particular trade, how I was able to see this particular setup. And then it's not only me that I saw this particular setup right here. I think three of my students saw the setup. Let me just show you guys before I go into the video. Okay. I think this one. Okay, there is the setup right here. Okay. So one of my students saw this particular setup right here. Can you see? We buy the market and the price end up getting to this particular high. This way the profit is. So let me show you another one. Back it. Okay. So and then another of my students right here. Okay. So he was trying to buy the trade from this particular low, and then he sent it to me in the morning so I can just check it. I was like, okay, good morning, ma'am. She's a lady, and then she said she's a woman, you understand? So and then I sent her a voice, and after checking it, you understand, then I told her that price going to go below this particular low right here, and then I think he ended up drawing the Reorder block here. So this is the other block that price respect. So I think he ended up drawing it out. So I told him that price no going to respect this particular order block, that price going to go below it, and then I think he was able to see the setup also. Okay, let me show you another one. Let me show you. This one was alive with me, so it was alive with me when he saw the trade. So he entered into the bearish trade, so he saw the markets, and then it was we want to set to what is stay probably right there. I was like, no, price not going to get to this particular area. So once price end up breaking this particular 4-hour time frame low right here, that should close the market and then buy the trade. So I think it was able to see the buy setup too. Because I was on live with him, I was training him at that moment. This when I sent him the link to join my live, and then it's just like one-on-one training, so he was able to see the setup too. So let me just show you another one. Okay, I'll show you this one. So let's just go into the video right now. This master was able to see the buy setup right here. Alright, so how are we able to see this particular setup? This analysis actually started for 4-hour time frame. So let's just go to 4-hour time frame right now, and then let me give you the breakdown. Okay, so on 4-hour time frame right now, if you check the market very well, you can see that price end up pushing up. So price end up getting on a bullish direction. Can you see this particular moment? High, then low, high. So this particular moment you see right here, this movement from this particular low to this particular high, not break anything at the far left side. So this high, if you check it to this particular area, price not break anything. Can you see? Price not break anything in this particular area. So price not going to respect this particular order block. This is when change of character comes in. So many traders right now, they will think that price end up breaking structure because price end up going below this particular low, even though this is what a change of character, not a break of structure. So many traders are going to see that price end up breaking structure, that price go on a bearish direction. No, I'm just expecting price to take out this particular low and then respect the order block below it, and then start be what on a bullish direction. So if you started this particular order block, let me just delete this first. Okay, let me delete this. Let me delete this trade and then delete this. Okay. So this is what our reorder block right here. This is where price going to respect, because price going to take out this particular low as a liquidity and then tap into this particular order block as a reorder block and then start going on a bullish direction. So this is 100% movement. This is where it's advisable for you to leave the market. So that's just for that. And then if you have to enter into this particular trade right here, if you have to enter into this particular trade, if you set your entry right here and then set your stop loss below it, okay, and then it's your take profit 100% movement. So you can see this is 1:3. I'm not the kind of trader that is going to enter into this particular trade and then we are higher time frame. This is 4-hour time frame. So this ratio is very small. So the smallest ratio I can take in this particular market is just like 1:10 because I'm higher time frame. So the smallest ratio I can take is 1:10. So we have to go down to lower time frame just like to increase what our risk to ratio. There's a technique on how to go down to lower time frame of which I end up teaching all my students, and then also my YouTube page. I think I've created a video about it. If you are watching my video for the first time, you can just check out that particular video and then learn it. It's very simple. So right here, if you study the market also very well, price end up breaking this particular high, price below this high right here, and then after that price end up breaking this high too. Can you see? So making this particular order block actually a reorder block because it end up breaking too high in the market. So let me just delete this. Okay, so let me delete this. So I can't enter into this particular trade because the ratio is very small, so I have to go down to lower time frame just like to increase what my risk or ratio. This is one of the things I love about my trade strategy, and then just like you increasing your risk score ratio, going down to lower time frame to know exactly that price is going to, So from 4 hour time frame right now, I have to go down to the lower time frame, which is a 3 hour time frame. So on 3 hour time frame right now, the order block remain the same. Let me check 2 hour time frame. So on 2 hour time frame too, the order block remain the same. I'm not seeing 2 order block inside my order block. So checking 1 hour time frame right now. Okay, so on 1 hour time frame right now, you can see the price end up. Okay, let me just do like okay, it's cool. So on 1 hour time frame right now, you can see that this particular order block, this opposite candle is partially inside what our order block. So it's advisable for me to reduce what my order block below it, because price is going to take out this particular opposite candle as in liquidity. Price is going to take it as a liquidity, because the full candle is not inside what our order block. If that the full candle is inside our order block, we have to analyze the market to see the one that price is going to respect. Either price is going to respect the order block or go below it. So that's just for that. So on 1 hour time frame right now, we are able to see this particular order block as what our reorder block. So let me check in the next block time frame, which is our 30 minutes time frame. So on 30 minutes time frame, the same thing happened right here. Can you see? We have this particular order block. It's partially inside what our order block. So price is not going to respect this particular order block. Price is going to go all the way below it. Okay, you have to reduce it right here. Let's see, let me just add more opacity to my, okay. So you can see the reorder block right here. So this is on 30 minutes time frame. Let's check 15 minutes time frame. Okay, before that, let's check 20 minutes. So 20 minutes time frame remain the same. All this candle is right here, they are bearish candle. Then this is a bullish candle right here. So let's check 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame right now, you can see we have what 2 order block inside. And then if you check the market very well, price end up breaking this particular high. Can you see? Price broke this particular high, and then price end up breaking this. So this is the reason why you have to understand my trade strategy very well. Imagine you just jump down from 4 hour time frame and then you come all the way down to like 15 minutes time frame. You're going to make use of this particular order block, and the price is going to stop you out, because you're going to see, oh, price end up breaking this particular high and also this high. Even though these two high are not equal high, so these two high are high under its own range. Price out to break another high in the opposite range, not high under its own range. So some traders are going to make this particular mistake or make use of this particular order block. This order block is not what a reorder block. If you follow the rule on how to go down to lower time frame, you can see that price don't get to respect this particular order block at the first place. So there's no any point of you using this particular order block. So if you study the market very well, from this particular low upward, price not break anything at the far left side. Can you see the only high we have right here is this particular high, this high right here. So price not break this high. It's not the moment I end up breaking it. The moment start from this particular low right here to this particular high. So this particular moment not break any side at the far left side. So price not going to respect this particular order block. Even though price end up breaking too high under its own range, so you're not going to count all these highs. So this is one of the reasons why you have to understand my trade strategy very well before trading it. So right here, price did not break any high from this particular low to this particular high. I mean from this particular low right here to this particular high. Price not breaking into at the far left side, so price not going to respect this particular order block right here. Price is going to respect the order block below it. So this is what our reorder block. Okay. So this is our reorder block, and then from 15 minutes time frame, let's check 10 minutes. I think I just stop at 5 minutes time frame. So on 10 minutes time frame right now, we check the market very well. Okay. Price end up breaking this high. Can you see it? Price end up breaking this particular high. So this particular order block right here is not what a reorder block. The order block below it becomes what the reorder block. So this is our reorder block right here. So let me reduce my order block. Okay. And then after 10 minutes, let's check 5 minutes time frame. So I'm going to stop using 5 minutes time frame. Okay. So on 5 minutes time frame right now, it remains the same thing. It remains the same thing. We don't have two order blocks inside the order block. So you're going to make use of this particular 5 minutes time frame. And then another thing that you guys have to understand at the notes when you're going down to lower time frame, even though this is just like for my previous students, if you want to join my mentorship, you can join and then learn and understand my trade strategy very well. So another thing you have to understand, just like you cannot increase what your order block like this. When you're going down to lower time, you can increase it up like this. You can only reduce it lower. Can you see it? And then for this side also, you cannot increase it. You cannot expand it. You can only reduce it inward. Can you see? So I'm going to stop using 5 minutes time frame. Let me just set entry. Let me set entry right here. Okay. So let's set our entry right there, and then our stop loss is going to be all the way below it. And then our take profit will be 100% movement, 100% movement of 4 hour time frame. So you saw the entry on 4 hour time frame, you saw the analysis on 4 hour time frame. So you have to set your take profit using 4 hour time frame. So let's check the ratio right now from 1:3, and then you're going to see the ratio that price is going to give us. Okay. Yeah, there's a place. All right. Yeah, there's the place. Okay. So let me just set my take profits 100% movement. So can you see 1:26? Can you see risk ratio 1:26? From 1:3, you're able to move it to like a 1:26. This is crazy. This is crazy. So okay. So this is where our take profit is right now, and then you can see our price eventually respect it, and then get what our take profit. This is very simple. You just have to understand my trade strategy. So you can see this is very simple and very easy. So there's one thing that also the app right here. Let me just show you before I end this particular video. So you can see right here, price end up breaking this particular opposite candle right here. It is difficult for price to break 2 levels at the same time. It's difficult for price to break 2 levels at the same time. So if negative price end up breaking this particular level, you'll be expecting an opposite candle in this particular time frame to fall. That's one of the reasons why sometimes I'll say, oh, the next candle I'm expecting is a bullish candle, the next candle I'm expecting is a bearish candle. It's very easy. Just have to understand my trade strategy very well, then you can be predicting the next candle that you're expected to form in the market. It is difficult for price to break 2 levels in the market. So once price end up breaking 1 level, you'll be expecting an opposite movement in that particular time frame. So if negative price end up breaking this particular high, so on 4 hour time frame, you have to have what? An opposite candle. Can you see? So it's very easy, it's very simple. So that's just for that. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and then if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I really appreciate that. You can leave a subscribe and then like this video right now. See you in my next video.